All right, guys, been waiting on parts. Gonna be updating my green Jeep build, all taken apart. You can see everything, adding more brass. I know some people don't like brass. I like it. And switching over from the Endura motor system to the Nano Komodo and the Nano Python system. It's a lot smoother. I'm gonna keep the Endura aluminum transmission, even though it's really loud, but yeah, just keep it. Working on it's on a Mofo Pocket Snake, and the parts I was waiting for is, if you guys haven't checked it out, Mofo has these awesome drive shafts. These are the 4mm extensions, but they also come with the brass wafers to add more weight. Again, I like brass. Some of you in some of my other videos say, you know, too much brass, but I like it, especially on the small builds. It doesn't really make a big difference. It's when you do the 110 that a lot of brass can hurt you. And I'm also putting Overdrive in as well. If you guys haven't put an Endura or Muser, I like the 13 tooth. If you guys haven't tried it, do it. It's well worth it. Yeah, it's the Overdrive is just killer. It just makes these things pop with crawling potential. And also, I don't know if you guys saw this, but I do have the new D19 wheels by Endura. I had these for a while, and I also have, these are the Proline Baja Pros. I just took them off the stock rims and put them on these nice babies. So they look awesome. So stay tuned for a completed build and then a test drive. All right, guys, finished the upgrades. So I did take the Endura stuff off, changed it for the Furitek. Again, I like the smoothness of the Furitek better, so I like this. Plus, it's more low key, so I can fit my customized Jeep body instead of using the green one on this. I also have the 4mm extensions on this with the wafers by Mofo Racing. I also have the Mofo Pocket Snake chassis and all sorts of brass. So, and if you're wondering, those are Endura D19s. They're not on their website. They're actually only on Amazon, easy to get. And again, these tires are, I took them off the wheels, the Proline tires by the Baja tires. So I like these on this rig. So let's see how well she runs, and let's see how wide it is once I get the body on. All right, guys, there she is. It is completed. You can see the wider stance, bigger, wider stance. I do like it like this though, and it sits down nice and low. And let's take her for a ride, see how well I do driving, because of the fact that all my setup is all messed up right now. So let's take her for a ride. All right, I think I got her pinched up. Let's see if I can get off. There we go. See if we can get up this without flipping it. There we go. You know, I got the camera in one hand and one hand driving. Uh-oh, I think I'm not gonna make this, but we'll try it. Nope. Ah, there it is. All right. Unfortunate, but let's try this line now. There we go. It's a fun little line I put together. See how capable this truck is. We're gonna see if she can go down it without flipping. Not a good angle, but let's see. There we go. Nicely done. And again, it's hard to drive with one hand. Again, this is how I'm doing it. I got the Muse system, so it gives you a little bit more control one-handed. Typically, I have it attached to the radio, but the camera, but yeah, we're not going to hit that line, but I think we can hit this line, guys, right here. Maybe. I think I went a little too far to the right. Let's see if we can just get up that. It is so steep. I don't know if you can see how steep that is. Super steep. Just not getting over that hump on that right rear tire. Nope. I don't even think I can back this down. Let's see if I can back it down and then try a different lineup. Probably gonna flip it. All right, we're gonna give up on that, guys. But we're gonna go up, back up this way. Very capable truck. We're gonna go up this. The new section that I put together to allow for this. Should be able to get up this. Come on. Come on. Now we're not able to do it. There we go. We should be able to get up there. Nicely done. Not all my trucks can hit that. And then we're going to hit the articulation spot right here. Neat spot on showing how these shocks work and how awesome this truck is. And then we're just going to go down here. It's another new section that you guys have seen before, but it's a nice section. And then we're going to go over the hard part of this. If I stayed to the right, that's the easy. Most trucks can get up. This is the hard part. This is the hard part. Only 2 trucks can get up right now, and this is one of them. And he did it pretty easily. Then we get up this. And we get up and around. And let me know in the description how well I did on the modification of that body, the Jeep body. I think it came out pretty well. I'm not that great with these modifications. I'm better with the builds. Like this truck is, you can see, is killing it. Another section. That he's just absolutely devouring right now. Whoop. Got off course. Sorry for the bad filming. We'll go into the sand pit. And guys, this is a good way, if you can see, I have Overdrive. Get the Overdrive. If you can only do one mod on this, is Overdrive. Makes a huge difference in the capability of this truck. All right, now we're gonna go down here. And then we're gonna hit up one more section. I'm not gonna hit up the wood. I have other videos that you can see that. But the thing just is locked in. I got the loose logs. But this is a fun section I built too, right up here. And we'll just see this real quick. No problems getting up this. And we're gonna get, if I can do it, line it up correctly. Again, one hand is not the easiest. And then we're just gonna finish. Oh, I might, hopefully she doesn't fall in there.
Hopefully I lined it up properly. Yep. And you can see it with the lights coming out of the tunnel. There it is, guys. The mods. Let me know how you like the mods. If you have any questions, just in the chat, just let it go. But again, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching.